Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch GTH and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the MOBVOI application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the devices and on this page you should see your TicWatch GTH right here. Now you can tap on the settings icon, tap on unbind, tap on confirm, and then you can tap on set it up now. It will open the settings. Here go back to the main page of settings, tap on Bluetooth, and right here you have a list of my devices. If you see the MOBVOI TicWatch GTH on the list right here, tap on the info icon next to it. As you can see, I don't have this watch right here, but if you had it, tap on the info icon, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device to confirm and disconnect it. And once you disconnect it from your iPhone, you can close the settings and the app, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.